Machebu Electrical Solutions. We solve electrical. So let me show you. This is the kitchen. So this kitchen we have not done or installed. So I don't know if you can see clearly. So that there is where the cooker will be, and this one is a socket here. Also another socket. Okay, another socket. So this one here, an island will be here. So on that island we will be having a socket. Okay,